tarp has sprung a leak, and the animals I've trapped have all become my pets, and I'm living off of grass and the drippings from the ceiling. But it's okay to eat fish, 'cause they ain't have any feelings. Something in the way, something in the way.